fuzzy sometimes about what your ideal setup will be with money. You're so busy, maybe careering from one day to another. Life is just so busy and overwhelming at times that you don't even have a clue as to what it would even look like. In today's vlog, I'm going to talk to that and in how you can actually leverage your summer holiday time to get really clear on that. And this can be a transformational step forwards in how you go forward with your money. My name is Caitriona Ellis from the Financial Wellness Academy, educating and empowering you to master your money regardless of your current circumstances. So, summer holidays are upon us, and some of us are relishing them, and some of us are dreading them, and it's all good. So, for those of us who have some time to take away with our kids, be it in our own homes locally or maybe on a foreign holiday, then in any of those situations, you can create the space yourself to actually allow clarity to come in terms of what your money looks like and in terms of what you'd really love things, how you'd really love things to be. So for many people, they are so busy in their day-to-day in the school time that you're going from drop off, pick up, and it's a bit of a whirlwind. And we never actually get the time to actually stand back and go, wow, I really enjoyed that. My kids really enjoyed that. I'd like more of that. But summer holidays, usually for most of us, can result in us getting some space to actually make those observations. So maybe in some quiet downtime, everybody's happy and relaxed, and the weather's good, fingers crossed. And we get a little aha or a little glimpse into, wow, this is lovely. I would really like more of this in my life. And it's those little moments that really can give you the gold nuggets as to how things would be if you had a magic wand and were able to set things up exactly as how you like. And that's what financial wellness is all about. It's trying to get clarity as to what that looks like for you. And when you have that clarity, it's about taking those baby steps towards it. So I encourage you to use the summer holidays that were upon us and take time to notice when those moments arise and maybe make note of them if you're somebody who likes to journal, or make a digital note as to what happened in that. What was it about that moment that really felt nourishing and amazing and gave you that sense of wanting more? Because for some of us, when the back to school time comes, yes, there's a little sense of relief because we get back to routine, and sometimes those long ending days can be trying and they can be wearing. But for a lot of us, there's an element of sadness when the kids go back to school because we've had such a lovely time with them. We've had many precious memories, lovely, amazing times together doing all sorts, and it's tinged with a little bit of sadness. So regret can come in, and maybe if you've been working, you have some regret, some guilt around, I wish I had more time off with them to do more fun things. Or maybe it's that you had some time off but you didn't have the money to do the things that you'd like to do. Whatever those little insights are, take the time out to notice them first, and secondly, to make a note of them. And then thirdly, to take action as to, well, how can I get more of whatever it is that you've observed? And it is through those simple little steps that things can start to change. Maybe next time when you have a summer holiday, one of those pieces, you'll be able to slot in and go, you know what? Based on the observation I had during those holidays, I'm going to do something slightly different next time. And slowly but surely, the holiday times start to become better and better because you start to take the time to notice and then to make those tiny tweaks. And before you know it, you look back and those summer holidays or any holidays are exactly how you want. Thank you for taking the time to watch today. There are a number of other videos around the summer theme and in ironing out some of the challenges that we can have around that time. So take some time now, if you've got a few minutes, to look through those and get some ideas from there. Thanks again, and see you soon. Bye-bye.